Welcome to Fix and Farm Garage, where the modern farming meets the master tools repair. Here we don't discard, we restore, making your tools work like new.
Yes, colleagues, again, I'm host here at Fix and Farm Garage. Today I want to show you my tilting solar stand. Yes, friends, this is my solar panels. This solar panel stand is tilting, so you can tilt it at any position you feel like. So, like so, it's being tilted towards the morning. In the morning, ichai pakati. Now, if in the midday you put it straight like this, as you can see, it's turning on its own. Someone is turning it. Now, in the afternoon, you turn it the other way around. As we can see, the person who's turning it is just inside there. You don't need to climb on the stand. Just like that. It means the panel is facing. As you can see, it's tilting from inside. This is where we lock this handle. This is where we lock this handle. When you put it on this position, it means it's on there. It's facing the morning side. Then when you take this rod, when you put it here, you shift this to here, position number 3. It means now the panels are facing the afternoon sun. So this is how the system is set.